Hey, thanks so much for tuning in to today's art class. This video is offered as a partnership between the Ann Arbor District Library and the Ann Arbor Art Center, both located downtown Ann Arbor, Michigan. This is Drawing for Kids, and today we are going to be drawing these lovely patterned leaves. So I hope that you are excited for today's class. Material wise, I would just start with, of course, a pencil and a sheet of paper, though it would be great to be able to use a Sharpie or some other kind of black marker along with colored pencils or markers or some other kind of colorful medium. So what we're going to do to start is draw a leaf outline. So you can draw whatever kind of leaf you want. Take a look outside in your yard. I bet chances are, or down the street, you have a leaf somewhere that you can kind of look at. And we're going to draw the veins of the leaf, those little tiny lines you can see here, and those are going to be kind of separating the sections. And so we'll kind of use those little shapes that are created inside the leaf to separate what we're drawing inside the leaf. Then you can color whatever kind of background you want. Now, I am now adding in some yellow and orange colors along with layering in some other colors such as pink and red and different colors while I'm coloring it in. But what I'm doing is I'm adding in these different sections and I'm making sure that the oranges are nice separated between each of the different sections, so they're not a bunch of orange sections all right next to each other, that they're kind of separated and scattered throughout the whole leaf. Same thing goes for the yellow. Then you're going to start adding in your patterns. Now, same thing with the patterns. I'm trying to make some patterns that are really bold. They're pretty far away from each other rather than putting a bunch of bold patterns touching. So it's almost like a game of trying to make it so that you don't have two of the same color sections, for example, next to each other, or two of the same patterns next to each other. You want to make everything kind of spread out throughout the whole composition. Now, when you're thinking about what kind of patterns to do, you really can use whatever kind of patterns that you want. Think about basic lines and shapes and combining them in a really creative and unique way so that it creates a pattern by repeating those kinds of lines and shapes. I hope that you have so much fun making this today, and just remember that you can use any kinds of colors with any kind of materials that you have on hand. Enjoy!